Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find a screen recorder for iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to do screen recording on your iPhone iOS 18 and you want to get the screen recorder for that, so how you can get that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So basically, a screen recorder is available in default on your iPhone. So if you want to use that, then you can simply add it in your control center and it will be available here. So here you can simply find that screen recorder which I am using. So here you can simply use that, but you have to make sure that this screen recorder doesn't provide you HD recording, full HD recording and 4K recording. So if you want to record screen recording in 4K, then you have to simply look for another screen recording app which you have to download from the App Store. So how many apps are available? So you have to simply click on the App Store here. So here you have to simply search for screen recorder, and after that you will find many options for the screen recorder for iPhone. So here you can simply first of all find screen recorder, and the second one is optional screen recorder V recorder, and there is also DU recorder, which I recommend you to use that because it provide high quality screen recording. So here you can simply find another app. So here is also option available for two. So for you to use that, so first of all you have to simply download and install the app, and after that you can check whether that app provides HD quality screen recording or not, and you can simply use that app after checking that. So in this way you can simply do high quality screen recording on your iPhone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.